May I come in, sir?
Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Sit.
Thank you, sir.
Introduce yourself.
Sir, my name is Deepak Kumar Sharma. I am from Giridih, Jharkhand. I have completed my 10th from CBSE board with a percentage of 93.2%. I am in class 12th standard and waiting for my results, sir. Coming to my family background, in my family, apart from my parents, I have one younger sister and myself. My father is a farmer as well as a worker in the civil construction area during the off season of farming, and my mother is a excellent housemaker. Coming to my hobbies, I like to play football and I hold a certificate in this game up to a zonal level, and I was a captain of our school football team.
Okay, that is good.
That's all about me, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me the farmers' laws for which people were protesting, like 1 year back and few days back?
I don't know exact idea about this, but MRP is related to this, sir.
MRP. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you are from Jharkhand.
Yes, sir.
Who is the CM of Jharkhand?
Sir, Champai Soran is currently.
And Chapai Soren.
Yes, sir.
And who is the deputy CM?
Don't know.
Governor.
Don't know.
Okay. CM of Bihar.
Don't know.
Okay. Who is the health minister of India?
Sorry, sir. Don't know.
You don't know. Who is the prime minister of India?
Say Narendra Modi.
Defense minister.
Don't know, sir.
Why?
I am not currently. I noticed in the current affairs, sir.
Okay. What is the capital of France?
Don't.
Okay. Which one is your favorite subject? Physics or maths?
Physics.
Physics. Good. What is the difference between static and kinetic friction?
Sir, a static friction means the when object is at rest and friction applied, this is known as static friction, and when object is moving and then applied the friction, this is known as kinetic friction.
Which one is constant?
So kinetic friction is constant.
What is the value of kinetic friction?
Sorry, sir, don't know.
What is Doppler's effect?
Don't know.
Okay. First law of thermodynamics.
Don't know.
Ideal gas equation.
PV is equal to nRT.
What is the value of R?
3.14. 3.14. Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
What is the unit?
Joule per mole per Kelvin.
Okay. What is refractive index?
So it is a ratio of the speed of light in any medium divided by the speed of light in a vacuum.
Are you sure?
Sorry, sir. It is a ratio of the refractive index in any vacuum divided by a speed of light in any medium. Yes, I am sure about it.
And you are sure about it, okay. Okay. One more thing. What is the phenomena of mirage?
Sir, total internal reflection.
What is that?
Sir, when the angle of incident is greater than the critical angle, the ray of light is reflected back to the denser medium.
What is critical angle?
Sir, the angle in a denser medium for which the angle in rarer medium is 90 degrees.
Light is going from which medium to
Denser
which
to
medium?
rarer medium.
Okay. And then what is the critical angle?
Sir, when sorry, sir, don't know.
Okay. If sin x equal to 2 by 3, then what is the value of tan x?
Sir, may I use the pen?
No.
Repeat the question, sir.
Sin x is 2 by 3. Value of tan x.
2 by 3.
That is sin x. Sin x is 2 by 3. then the value of tan x.
I want to use the pen and paper.
You have to solve it by your own, in your mind.
No, sir.
You don't know.
If I use the pen, I can solve it.
No, I'm not giving you the pen. I have 2.2 dozens of chocolates.
2.2
dozens. How many units I have?
Repeat, sir.
I have 2.2 dozens of chocolate. How many units I have?
Don't.
In 1 dozen, how many units are there?
12.
Then in 2.2 units, 2.2 dozens.
I multiply by 12.
So multiply it and tell me.
So 22.
A car is moving with a speed of 5 km per hour.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in 5 hours, how much distance will it cover?
25.
Okay. If a car is moving from A to B with a speed of 5 km per hour and coming from B to A with 6 km per hour, what is the average speed?
11 by 2 km per hour.
How?
So total distance, sorry sir, 0.
0.
Sir, you asked the average speed or average velocity?
Average speed.
11 by 2 km per hour.
Okay, that is wrong. What is the differentiation of sin x?
Cos x
Integration of sin x?
minus cos x
Integration of cos x?
sin x.
ओके चलो ठीक है, अभी यहाँ पे ही हम ख़त्म कर रहे हैं इसको। वैसे कुछ क्वेश्चन मुझे फुटबॉल से और तुम्हारे और बाकी चीज़ों से भी पूछने थे, लेकिन ठीक है, नहीं तो ज़्यादा लेंदी हो जाएगा इंटरव्यू। ये जो चीज़ें तुमने स्किप करी ना, डॉपलर इफेक्ट, काइनेटिक फ्रिक्शन, फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनेमिक्स, आर का वैल्यू गलत बताया, TIR तुम फंस गए जा करके एंड में, इसमें क्या होगा कि वो तुम्हें निकाल देगा। और जो बाकी क्वेश्चन मैंने तुम्हारे यहाँ पे छोड़ दिए हैं कि जैसे अगर कोई सीनियर तुम्हें मारता है तो तुम क्या करोगे, घर पे कोई प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है तो तुम क्या करोगे, ये क्वेश्चन भी कंसिडरेबल क्वेश्चन है, ठीक है, इनके ऊपर भी वो डिसीजन लेगा। लेकिन अगर ये नहीं आते हैं ना तो कोई डिसीजन नहीं लेगा। तो बता क्यों नहीं पा रहे हो फिर? फार्मर लॉ तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए। अगर आप ये बोल रहे हो कि माई फादर इज अ फार्मर, देन वो तुमसे पूछेंगे ही पूछेंगे क्वेश्चन, अच्छे चांसेस हैं, ठीक है। और ये डेप्यूटी CM, गवर्नर, अपने स्टेट के, आसपास के स्टेट के, तुम्हारे आसपास बिहार, यूपी जो भी हैं, सबके पता होने चाहिए तुम्हें। तुम यहाँ पे हो हरियाणा में तो तुम्हें यहाँ का भी पता होना चाहिए। हेल्थ मिनिस्टर, डिफेंस मिनिस्टर, ये सब क्वेश्चन वो पूछते हैं तुमसे, ठीक है। और डजन यार 10 से थोड़ी ना मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, 12 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं। एवरेज स्पीड तुमने V1 प्लस V2 बाई 2 कर दिया, जबकि वो ट्वाइस V1 V2 अपॉन V1 प्लस V2 होता है। अभी मैंने एंग्लो का पेपर करवाया था, उसमें याद करो मैंने बताया था ट्वाइस V1 V2 अपॉन V1 प्लस V2। तो अगर आप यहाँ नहीं थे तो आपको लेक्चर देखना चाहिए कि क्या कराया गया था, ठीक है ना। तो अभी थोड़ी और प्रैक्टिस करो, मतलब मेरे ख्याल से तुम्हारा पहला इंटरव्यू होगा, लेकिन अभी और थोड़ी प्रैक्टिस करो। तो
फर्स्ट टाइम दिए सर, कभी नहीं दी, ऐसे बात तो लिख नहीं अपना स्टेट से।
चलो अच्छी बात है, पहली बार दियो, पहली बार के हिसाब से काफ़ी अच्छा है, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट टाइम देखते हैं इसके बाद।
थैंक यू।